Hey everyone, I'm Wanda from Deep South Homestead. Today, been a little busy. We've been canning for weeks now actually, but today has just been really super busy. So Deep South does not have a video today because I got busy. But if you would like to see a good video, go over to Crazy Days. That is my alternate ego channel. I am the other side of Deep South Homestead, the one that gets a little of everything with, but a little fun on the side. And today I needed a little adventure, so the video that's up today, I will put in the cards. I needed a little adventure. I've been in and out of this house so much that I need to get outside, so I went on a ride. And I hope you enjoy it. So check out Crazy Days. Also check out my Canon class, Canon 101. It's over there. I'll put it in the description and in the links, and enjoy a little Crazy Days day. It's going to be one of those crazy days. Thank you guys from Deep South Homestead.